program for which it is like
I think it was
we should enter any random value might be. Yes, sir.
even odd and character separation program, right?
Yes, sir. No, it's like
Yeah,
you can
when we
enter
applied.
any random number or digit or
Mhm.
alphabet, anything, it will separate that.
Yes, 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 yes. Got it, got it, got it. Actually, I have muted myself.
Yes, sir. Please see what is the mistake I had done because I'm not getting the printout of the separate printouts.
Odd character that happened.
Let me show demonstrate you once. I'm running it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Just a minute, Pranjul. I will be back. Just a minute.
Okay, okay.
Pranjul Bari.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes, Preet.
Sir, good morning, sir. Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon. Yes, Pranjul.
Yes, sir. So here's the output which I'm getting. Actually, my numbers are not getting appended separately. So this was the
Okay,
output
so
which
let's see where
program
is the issue.
gives.
Now you do one thing, print a in between line one and two.
Where between line
Line in
one
between
and
line number one and two. Two, yes, print a.
why?
I think you are having some network issue. Your screen is okay.
This is not a network issue, sir. I'm
Ah,
running it on Python. Why? Earlier I was trying it many times, but it didn't happen. It just happened once in front of you.
okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now show me the code. Okay, 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 okay. You can see now you are getting output.
So here's the
Uh-huh.
slide. It is joking with me, I guess.
It happens many times. It will happen. Yes, Rishabh, Srinarayan.
It's trying to debug that.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So what we have done in last lab?
So that matrix program.
Matrix. Okay, experiment 19. So what is experiment number 20? So, what is the next program? Experiment number 20. Yes, let's see. Ah, this is really interesting. It's not that much difficult, but it is interesting. So, in that experiment, I have given you the list of, sorry, I have given you the file from which you are supposed to count the word. So what we are supposed to do here, we will open the file, we will read the file, and then we will find out the frequency of each word. Okay, that what is how many words are there means first we will find out individual word, then length of the word, and that how many times that word is occurring into the file which I have given to you. So whatever approach you want to use for this, okay, you can use. Uh, Let me create a new Python file and let me put a definition over there. Okay, let me start sharing. Okay, my screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is what you are supposed to do. I have attached you.
Yes,
I
sir.
have
It is
given you a
visible.
file in Google Classroom. You are supposed to read the word. Okay, then you are supposed to write down those detail into the file. Now, what is the detail? Word, then length of the word, and then the count of the word. Okay, so let's say is, then length of the word will be 2, and then count. Let's say in entire file that is word is occurring for, let's say, 30 to 50 times. So that you have to mention. Clear? I think many students have submitted the experiment in classroom. Let me check. Okay, 3 people have submitted: Bhavdip, Divya, and Vijay Raj. I think Vijay Raj has submitted the code, but okay. Uh, Here you see, carefully read the experiment. In experiment, I have mentioned that you are supposed to write output. Okay, so it is not like only printing. You carefully read the experiment. What is the instruction for experiment? Store output in a file with following format. So you are supposed to store output in the file in this format, whatever format we have specified. Okay, so here please read the instruction carefully. Store output in a file with following format. Okay, so here you are going to perform file read and file write, both operation, not only file let's say read. Okay, so we are not going to display anything to the user. For your reference and for your understanding, you can go with it, but uh, you are supposed to store output into the file. Clear? So please read the program instruction very carefully. Yes, Vijay has also joined. Vijay,
Yes, sir.
yeah. You have uploaded the experiment. I was just checking your experiment. Okay. I think you are missing that output writing portion. Okay. So actually, as per definition, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to write it into the file. Okay. So you have written f dot write. Okay. Got it. Got it. So okay, okay, okay. Got it, got it. After writing, you have again opened the file. Means you have written the code which will read the file and then it will display. Got it, got it. No, it's fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, let me check the code of Pradeep or Divya. But I don't think so. They are yeah. Yes. So can I add one practice program into your classroom? This will be really interesting. Mm, okay, what is it? Right? Let me check it. Okay. Uh, yes. Mm, I have created one practice program. Let me add a few more practice program. How many people have completed practice program? Only one. Practice program 2, 2. Practice program 3, 2. Practice program 4, 0. Practice program 5, nobody. Yes, Tanmay. Sorry, Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you please try practice program?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you just try it and you can implement any of the practice program.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Mohammed.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, what's going on? Which part you are
Sir,
implementing right now?
I'm trying. So I'm trying. This key is equal to open sample txt read mode. I'm
Okay.
trying to create an empty dictionary.
Mm-hmm.
After that, implementing for loop.
Okay.
But I'm getting errors also. Trying to fix.
Okay. Okay. No problem. If you are not able to, means if you are getting stuck in same error for long time, let me know. I will help you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Arjan and Jignesh Prasad, what you people are doing? Yes. What are you doing? Share your screen so I can see that which code you are writing. Oh, so you are also facing laptop. No problem. You can write code in laptop and then you can start camera from your mobile and then you can show me. Okay. Yes. Saif Ali, what about you? Darshan, Darshan Parmar. What about you? Raj, Rishabh,
I'm doing.
doing? Okay. Okay, I think Darshan Manyar is facing some network related issue. Right, Darshan?
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, yes. Yes, I knew it. I knew it. You are facing network issue.
Sir, it says file not found.
So, have you downloaded the file and kept the file in the same directory where you saved your script?
I'm doing it in Google Colab.
Colab. So first of all, you have to upload that file into your Colab environment. Yes.
सॉरी वर्ड वन वर्ड टू के बदले
हाँ
जो
हाँ
वर्ड
हाँ,
है
वो
वो
लिखाना
लिखा
चाहिए.
होना चाहिए था.
Let me show you the submitted program of Vijay. Mhm. Is it visible? So Vijay has read the file, and then it has means Vijay has written the output into the file. Okay, for key indi1 means he is writing. Now, if I will read the file, then you can see here. You can see with open means reading a file. Okay, and if I will read the line, then you can see this kind of output I will get: word, then length of the word, and then count of the word. Okay, word, length of the word, and count of the word. So this kind of output you are supposed to store into the file. Clear? If you don't want to do like that, then Pranjul, you can upload file. You can also upload file. I think in one previously I have shown you that how you can upload file into Colab environment, and then you can use it. So in whatever method you want to do, you can use. Muhammad mentioned that dictionary for line in T, line is equals to line dot lower. Okay, word equals to line dot split using space. Okay, before splitting, you do one thing: remove full stop and slash n, means new line character. Okay, so just make sure. So you can write like this: line is equals to line dot replace full stop with empty space. And if you want to remove new line character, then also line is equals to line dot replace slash n with clear, and then you split the line. Yes. Okay, otherwise what will happen that you will get dot as a part of spelling. Okay, so let's say there is one word at the end. Okay, so you will get full stop. Now it won't consider that same word for another word without full stop. Okay, so this is a, something like is dot and is. So it will treat both of these word as in the different word. Okay, actually both are same. So for that reason, I'm telling you.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Mohammed.
Sir, where to upload the file? I finished my code, but I'm not getting upload because of I did not upload the file.
So you are working in Colab or Jupyter
Yes,
Notebook?
sir. Yes, sir. Collab.
Okay. So let me give you a demonstration that how to upload it.
सर
Okay, sir.
Yes.
सर
Yes.
मैंने सर वो प्रोजेक्ट होता है सर उसे गूगल ड्राइव में अपलोड करके उसकी लिंक सबमिट की है सर.
That also you can do. Otherwise, if you don't want to do that, then let me show you. Uh, my screen is visible to you.
यस सर.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So what you are supposed to do here, you simply create a new environment. New notebook. Okay. So just wait for some time. It will take some time to create the new environment. Okay, now new environment is created. So now here you have to click on this folder icon. Okay, so here it will show you a message connecting to a runtime to enable file browsing. So here you have to click on upload to session storage. Okay, and here let's see. So here there will be sample.txt. Yes. So if I will click on this and open, okay, it will show you just a message, and then you can see that file is available here. Okay, if you want to see the content, then double click on it, then you can see, you can open that file. Clear how to do it? Okay, and then you can, let's say fh is equals to open, let's say sample.txt, and we will open it in read mode while t in fh. Okay, print t. Fh is equals to open fh. For t in fh dot read line.
Sir,
Got it? Yes.
sir, but why it's not working for while loop?
For a while, yes. For a while, I think we have to use buffer. So let's say hmm, if you want to implement it using while, then you have to implement like let's say t is equals to read line fetch dot read line. Okay. While t not equals to end of file. It is something like this. While t is not equals to, let's say, t, and then print t, and then t is equals to fh dot read line. I think this way we can implement. Okay, it is also working with while loop. Clear? So if you are changing the loop, then accordingly we have to change some mechanism.
Sir, see chat box.
Um, just a minute. Okay, now I got your message. Fr is equals to open. Why are you reading docs file? Okay, let me copy and paste that code. Instead of this, I have to write sample.txt. Yes, we are getting output. Oh, you are printing individual line. Print I for I in fr dot read line. Okay, if you will remove this for I in
So
fr,
add a line print D.
got it?
Sir, previously I used only FR, but then I seen on the screen and you used FR dot read line, so I used that also. Still getting
Now
the
here
same.
what will happen? Here what will happen whenever you will write fr dot read line. Okay, in that case it will retrieve one line. Okay, and then inside that line it will iterate character by character, character by character, character by character. Okay, here if I will write for I in fr, okay, then automatically it will go with read line. Okay, so this is like
Sir, should I share my screen?
yeah, sure, why not?
Sir, visible?
Yes.
So see, it's showing me error in that line only. Decode input,
Yes, yes.
talking, taking the buffer in hand.
Yes, yes, yes. Which file you are opening? Just scroll up. Docx file. Why are you reading docs file?
Okay. TXT use करना है sir.
Yes. And have you uploaded that txt file into your folder portion? Please just go to the folder left hand side, left, top left
No, sir,
here.
I have not uploaded.
Yes, so
Sir, I
upload it up.
downloaded the PDF version and I converted it into docx.
No, 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 no. You just open it. I think yesterday,
Sir,
Bhavdeep is also, I think Bhavdeep or, yes, Bhavdeep was also facing same kind of issue. Yes, Pranjul.
Okay, sir.
Oof.
sir, what if he adds in his code print D in the last
Sorry,
and he removes that I dot strip part?
I am not getting. Can you share your code and let me know that?
सर मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये राज ने जो फाइल अपलोड ये एक्सपेरिमेंट डॉक फाइल अपलोड करी है वहां से स्ट्रिप हटा के वहां पे प्रिंट डी और लास्ट में ऐड कर देना.
Mhm. Okay, I will be get back to your question, Pranjul. Please wait for a minute. Raj, first of all, file name should not contain blank space. Whenever you are reading file in Python, make sure it doesn't contain the blank
Sir,
space.
no blank space.
Yes, here you
Okay,
can
okay, yes.
see,
Thanks.
and in uploaded file also, you make sure that it doesn't contain the blank space. Yes, Pranjul, you were asking about making change in which line, or can you please tell your problem in chat box? So I think it will be very easy for me to understand because your voice is breaking in between.
Sir, stating same.
Okay, for I in FR AXP, just go to the folder part. Okay,
Yes, sir.
EXP. Just double click on exp20.txt. Ah, what you will get? You see, you have not downloaded the proper file. I think let me. This is the ASCII file. Okay, can you open that Google
Okay.
Classroom? Yeah,
Yes,
can you
sir.
open that Google Classroom? Yes, Mohammed, I will be get back to you in a minute.
Yes, yes, sir. I'm saying the same thing. What you are going to see, like
Yes,
from the
yes,
classroom.
yes, yes. Please open the classroom, Raj.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Yeah. So please keep your sharing.
सर क्लासरूम से डायरेक्टली डाउनलोड नहीं हो रही वो टेक्स्ट कॉपी करके उसे
No, no,
टेक्स्ट
classroom should be
करना
down.
पड़ता
Yes, yes, we can download it. Let me show you. So, Raj.
Sir, Abhi,
Yes, yes.
classroom है sir ये.
No, your screen. Okay, okay. Now, top right corner beside printer.
Sir,
Just for a minute. Yes. Now move
जैसे मेरा
cursor.
नेट जाए.
Yes, yes. You got it. Beside the printer, there is a download button.
Sir, it's
In bit.
downloading as a PDF.
No, click on it. Okay, it is downloading as PDF. Now just click on save as type.
Yes, sir.
All files. Okay, and give file name abc.txt. Then see what happened. Because I think yesterday
ABC
about
है एक पहले से इसमें.
xyz.txt.
सेव करूँ.
Yes, and then just open it so we can have idea. Okay, no, no. This storing in PDF container. Okay, close it. Close it. Uh, mm, just move the cursor so we can see open with option. Go to the next. Okay, it is more or less same. Hmm. Click on print. Yes, click on print. What it is doing? Okay, destination. Hmm. I think I have to upload it in. It's no. Cancel, cancel,
No,
cancel
sir.
it.
It's near.
Okay, no problem. Let me do one thing. Instructions. Where is the instruction? Sample.txt. Hmm, no. Okay. Let me show you my screen because see if I will click on sample.txt, my screen is visible to all of you
Not yet.
now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I will click on this, let's say sample.txt. Okay, and here if I will click it open in new window, then you can see I will get that similar kind of thing. Okay, sample.txt file here, I will get this window, sample.txt file here. Okay, and if I will click on download, okay, so whenever I will click on the download, okay, that file is getting downloaded in txt format or in txt file. So don't know that why you people are facing this kind of issue, but uh, can you try that one?
Sir, I also tried new window, but it's showing new window.
But what it is showing in new window?
New tab.
Yes, just let's do it once again, please.
Okay, should I present?
Yes. Start screen sharing and let's see that how we can solve it out.
Visible
Yes, Darshan, that also you can do. Yes, Raj, your screen. This
sir, here three dots.
okay. Yes. No, not there, not
New
there, not there, not there, not there. You have opened a new window. Just close this tag and go to the classroom.
class. Wait, sir.
Yes, go to the classroom. Open the experiment number 19,
So 20.
20. Yes. Click on sample.txt. Okay.
These three dots.
Beside printer, yes. Open in new window. Click on open in new window. Let's see what it is opening.
Sir, Abhi. Now I should
Yes.
download.
Yes. Now you just try to click on download. Yes. Let me know that. Okay. Got it.
खुला नहीं है अभी तक.
Sir,
Open.
चला गया.
Just a
Oh,
minute. Got it.
yes, sir. Now got it.
Okay. So it is working fine.
Yes, sir. Now I will try it. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Yes, Muhammad. Got it.
yes, sir, I
And
got it. I got
Pranjal
it.
was mentioning that, sir, if we can put print D in the last line. Yes, it is for displaying, but you have to think that how you are going to put data into the file. Means you are supposed to write the data into the file. I will be back. Please wait for a minute. Yes. So let's try to complete that experiment over here. And if we will display print R over here, okay, then you can see we are getting this list. What was our experiment? Okay, our experiment is here. So let's go with that for loop. So this is our output. T is equals to T dot replace, let's say slash n with empty character, and T is equals to T dot replace, let's say dot full stop with empty. So now you see we are getting pure plain line. Yes, after that what we are going to do, T is equals to T dot split using space. Now you can see we are having list, proper list. Okay, so what we will do, we will store it into the line by line mode. Okay, so how we how we will implement this? We will create a list. So we are having two approach. Either you can go with dictionary or you can go with the uh, list. Okay, so let me show you the approach of list, that how we can do it. So let's say list of word. Okay, this is list of word, and then there will be list of word detail. Okay, that will be also a list. Now every time we will check if, here I have to write for I in T, means we will check every time we will get the word, we will check for I in T if I in list of word, if I, sorry, I not in list of word. Okay, if I is not in list of word, then what we will do, uh, if I is not in list of word, then we will add something to the list. Okay, so T is equals to list, No, no, we will create one temporary list. Temporary is equals to list. So whatever approach you want to use, you can use temporary is equals to list. Then temporary of 0 is equals to I. Then temporary of 1 is equals to length of I. Okay, and temporary of 2 is equals to let's say t dot count in bracket I. If it is already there in list, okay, if a particular word is already there in list, then what we will do, we will update the count. Okay, so what we will do, LWD. Okay, so for that we have to find out the particular word. Okay, and in that case we have to find out the index. So if you don't want to go in that way, then you have to read entire file. Okay, so here I think this dictionary approach will be more better. Okay, in this case, dictionary approach will be more better. If you are reading entire file at once, okay, let's say P is equals to fh.read. This will read entire file. Okay, from list means from variable we will remove new line character dot, then we will split it. Okay, for I in T, if I not in list of word, then what we will do, we will create a short list. Okay, and then suppose let's add it to middle list of word is equals to, we will append I. First of all, we will add that word to list, then we will create a temporary list t dot count I, and at the end we will append it to the so we will append this list to LWD. LWD dot append EMP. Okay, and at the end, let's try to print LWD. Okay, it will not allow us to assign. No problem. We are having other method as well. This, let me just finish this. Uh, and I. Okay, you can see we will get full list. Okay, like this. Now what we will do? Anybody has any doubt that how I implemented? Anybody is having any doubt how I have implemented? I have opened the file, then I have read the entire file into variable t. Then I have created two lists, list of word and list of word detail. Then what I will do, I will remove new line character and dot from the file, uh, means from the red data which I have stored into the t. Then I will split using space, so I will get all the words after getting all the words, what I will do, I will iterate over individual word. So what I will check means here I will do that, here I will check that whether a particular word is belonging into the list or not. Okay, if that word is not belonging to the list, then what we will do, we will add that word to the list, means, and then I will create a small list. Okay, now what I will store in that small list, in that small list I will store the word, then length of the word, and then frequency of that word into the paragraph. Okay, and after creating that, what I will do, I will append that list to the list word detail. Okay, so if we print, let's say, list of word and list of word detail, then LW, list of word, will contain all the words which are there in the uh, paragraph, okay, or in the file. And list of word detail will store all the details of individual word. Okay, let's say this is old and this is old, then frequency, length, and then occurrence means frequency, then insetable, then length, then you can say occurrence, then hour, length, and occurrence. So this LW will store all the list of word, and LWD will store the detail of each word. Now what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to write this to the file. Now, can anyone give me any input that how we can store the data into the file? Yes, any input from anybody that how we can store data into the file? Yes, let me see what is the input with write. Can you recall that we can also write data using print statement? If you can recall that we can write data using print as well. So yes, using print. Yes, definitely that we have to use. So first of all, we will close after reading. What we will do, fh.close. We will close the file pointer. Okay, let's do fw is equals to open. We will create, let's say, final.txt. Okay, and that will be opened in write mode. Now let me show you that how we can do it. For I in, let's say, LWD, list word detail. Okay, here we will form a pattern. Okay, in which we wanted to, in which form we wanted to write 0, 1, 2. Okay, dot format. Here I of 0, comma, I of 1, comma, I of 2. Okay, and then I can specify file. File equals to, let's say, FW. Okay, so it will write line by line. So let's see whether it is allowing us to create a file or not. Oh, we forgot to put. Okay. Yes, we have to close it. F fw dot close. Here it is. Anybody has any doubt how we have implemented this? Let's say Srinarayan, Tanmay, Vijay, then Jignesh Prasad, Harshvardhan, Dharmik, Arjan, Mohammed Pranjul.
No, sir. I understood it.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Raj, Mohammed, Vijay.
No doubt, sir.
I hope I have written very simple and easy to understand code. Okay, it is not that much difficult.
सर ऊपर स्क्रॉल करो ना प्लीज.
Which one?
स्क्रीन गूगल कॉलम के ऊपर स्क्रॉल करो.
This one. This is the code which I have written.
यस सर थोड़ा ऊपर स्क्रॉल करो. नीचे का थोड़ा देखना है.
You are asking about this. You are asking
I'm
about this
telling you
code.
to scroll up.
Scroll up. Okay. Nothing. There is nothing to show here.
Yes, sir. Just
Okay.
checking.
Your final code is this only. This is your code.
Yes, sir. I was just checking why I'm
Okay.
not
Okay.
able to
Okay. Got
download
it. Got it.
that.
So you are looking that nothing is missing there. Got it. Got it. I got it. Yes. Should we move forward with the next experiment?
सर प्रैक्टिस प्रोग्राम कर लेते हैं वैसे आधा घंटा बाकी है.
No, अभी काफी टाइम बाकी है. Practice program. Which practice program we will do?
सीधे लोगे ना आप भी लगी है सर.
Huh?
अटेंडेंस भी तो लोगे ना आप.
Okay, let's see which practice program you people want me to implement.
Sir,
तो जो
Yeah.
5 दिए थे उसमें से फर्स्ट करवा दो बोले.
Hmm. Yes, let's see how we can implement. Yes, Mohammed.
Okay, sir. Same as Raj.
Huh? That practice program. Fibonacci series. You people are fine. Should we discuss Fibonacci series?
वो तो मैंने तो सबमिट कर दिया,
कर दिया है.
फिर भी सर दूसरे
Yes.
Just
How?
once.
Yes. How many of you want Fibonacci series? How many of you want to implement the Fibonacci series? Yes, Mohammed. That's fine. What about others? I don't think so. Anybody else want Fibonacci series? I think Rishabh is fine with this. Then Sri Narayan is also fine with this. Jignesh Prasad. No, fine means you don't want it. So at least, how many of you want me to repeat the Fibonacci series program? I think half of the people are sleeping, like Ajan, then Maniar, Dharmik, Ruvi, Divyajit. No, Divyajit, yes. Divyajit is also not actively involved in today's session. Jignesh Prasad, Preet. Preet, what are you doing? Anyway, let's quickly go with this. Okay. Anyway, let's implement the Fibonacci program. Yes, let me close this one. Let's say you people, I hope you people are aware with the Fibonacci number. Okay, 0, 1, then 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, and 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus 13, 34. Okay, 34 plus 21, 55, likewise. Okay, so what is Fibonacci series? It is nothing but you can say simply addition of two previous number. Okay, so here we need two variable. One is for let's say initially we will store one value. Let's say a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 1. Okay, and then we will take one infinite loop while true. Okay, so we will break loop using condition. So here we will display 0 and 1, print a comma b. Yes, now let's do one thing. Let's generate the next number. Okay, so what we will do, a is equals to b, and how we will generate the next number? How we will generate the next number? This is Fibonacci number. Yeah, Fibonacci series. So how we can generate the next number? Anyone from you? Let's say we are having 0 and 1. We want to generate next number. So can we write like this? A comma b is equals to B comma A plus B.
Yes, sir.
Yes, can we do like this? A comma B is equals to B comma A plus B. So we have generated the next number. Now what we will do? Let's print the new number. Okay, so where will be the new number? New number will be in B. So print B. Okay, but we will print B if and only if, let's say, if B is less than X, means user specified range, then only we will print B. Okay, else what we will do? We will break the loop. Okay, I am also trying this, so I'm just giving you idea that how we can do it. Let's say X is initially 30. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and 21. It's working fine. And equals to timeline. Here also let's put and equals to. Okay, so if user is entering 50, then you should get Fibonacci number up to 50. If user is entering 100, then you should get number up to 89. Clear? How many of you are not clear with the logic of this Fibonacci number? Yes, let me explain you again. No problem. I don't have any doubt because still we are having half an hour, so we are definitely going to implement the next experiment. Yes. Here what I have written. Initially we will start with 0 and 1. Okay. Fibonacci series start with 0 and 1. 0 plus 1, then 1. Next number 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 5, 8. So what we will do, using existing number, we will be generating the next series of number. Okay, here if you are looking for boundary condition, then you can put if that, let's say if user is entering 0, then you will display nothing. If user is entering 1, then you will display only 0. If user is entering 2, then you will display only 1. Okay, otherwise means here you have to put elif ladder for let's say a value is 0, then 1, and then 2. Okay, and if it is greater than 2, so in that case you can put if else condition. So we are assuming that user will enter the value greater than 10. So A will be initially 0 and B will be 1. Okay, so initially we will print 0 and 1 outside the loop. Then we will take one infinite loop, and this loop we will break using the condition. Now what is our purpose? We want to generate the next number by performing the addition. Okay, so initially A is 0 and B is 1. Okay, A is here. Let me put it here. Initially A is here. Okay, and B is here. Now what we want to do? We want to shift from here. Okay, so what we will do? We will write A equals to B. Okay, A equals to B. So here you can see A equals to B, comma B equals to A plus B. Okay, so 0 plus 1, 1. So new value of B will be 1. Then we will check if B is less than limit. Okay, then only we will print. Otherwise we will break. What will happen in next iteration? A is equals to A comma B is equals to B comma A plus B. So this will be A, and A plus B, 1 plus 1, 2. So this will be B. In next iteration, A, 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 B. Clear? Okay, and let me tell you that if you are going to ask me this same question next time, okay, then it may be possible that I may implement this program with some other logic. Okay, so ultimately everything is dependent on your problem solving skill. Okay, it is not dependent on problem. Okay, so for each problem there is not a fixed solution, but for each problem there will be different solution. Clear? Yes. Now should we move forward with the next experiment? That is experiment number 21, file handling. Okay, so you people do one thing, download that file and read the description. What is the description of that experiment? I have given you one CSV file. Okay, you are supposed to, let me put that this detail here. Write a program that will read the following semicolon separated value from the file. Okay, so instead of comma, here we are having semicolon separated values. Calculate the mean, max, average, standard deviation for each numeric column. Okay, so here you are aware with the minimum, maximum, and average. Okay, but you are not aware with the standard deviation. Okay, so you have to find out some detail about standard deviation, and then you have to then you have to implement method for it. Yes. So anybody is having any doubt? Mohammed, then Raj, then Rishabh, then Srinarayan, Harshvardhan, Divyaji, Pranjul, Dharmik, Dhruvi. Dhruvi, are you there? Dhruvi, are you there? Yes, Srinaran, please share your screen so I can help you. But how we can do it? Yes, no problem. I'm here only. Yes, Srinaran, please share your screen so I can see.
Is it
Just a minute. Just a minute. I think it is not yet visible. Okay, now it is getting visible.
I am unable to download it.
Okay, you are opening it in mobile.
Yeah, Google Drive. Yeah,
Okay, so do you
yeah,
have?
mobile. Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have it in? Do you have laptop or not? Laptop is not available with you.
No, sir, I don't have it. Yeah.
Okay, so in that case, what will happen? Uh, were you able to download that text file?
Sir? Yeah.
Uh, were you able to download that text file which we have used in
No, sir.
previous experiment?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, in experiment number 20. This one, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah, I'm able to download this one.
Okay.
I
Okay.
think,
So let
sir,
me.
there is problem in spreadsheet.
Okay, no problem. Let me create a text file for you. Uh, okay. If anybody is facing this issue, then they can download text file. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mhm. Mm, what is the name of that file? Let me check. Absenteeism. Let me go to the desktop. Python. Okay. CSV file. Open with VS Code. Let me save it into the text file and upload it. Save as okay, plain text. Okay, let me go to the classroom, edit, add, file, upload. Yes, I have uploaded text file. Okay, so you can read text file as well in experiment. Vijay and Epsira. Vijay, Epsira, Alazar. Alazar is also not there. Epsira, what are you doing? Okay. Epsira, please share your screen so I can see what you are writing.
So I have not finished yet.
Yes, yes, Epsira.
Sir, I have not finished yet. Sorry.
When you have started? Yes, Epsira, when you have started? I would like to know that. I know that you have not yet finished, but I would like to know that when you have started to implement.
I think I have network issue and I have joined recently. I have some network issues.
Yes, Dharmik. Any doubt? Am I clearly audible now? Am I audible clearly? Okay.
सर नहीं हो रहा।
Yes.
पेंडास यूज करके कर सकते हैं सर।
Yes.
पेंडास यूज करके कर सकते हैं।
नहीं नहीं, अभी वो टाइम बाकी है, वो टाइम भी आएगा. So we are not learning actually pandas right now. So we will try to avoid it. So I'm just trying to bring you people to out of comfort zone. So where you are not supposed to use libraries, you just need your coding skill to implement this. I knew it. In Panda we can do it in simply one or two line. Okay, but here we are supposed to do it in using programming, hardcore programming.
उसके बिना नहीं आता सर,
Huh?
नहीं आता।
Let me give you a quick hint. Let me upload a file. Desktop teaching Python. Okay, I have uploaded the file. Let me delete the first line. Okay, then I have saved it. Here, f8 is equals to, let's say, open, and okay. Now here we will create one list. Let's say 5. Any name L1. L1 is equals to list. Now for I in FH. Okay, so what this will do, this will read the file line by line. Okay, then print I. Okay, so we can have idea that what is going on inside. Okay, so in I we are having all the attributes. Now let's do one thing. I is equals to I dot split using semicolon and then print I. We are moving step by step. Okay, yes. Before splitting, we have to remove the new line. Okay, so I is equals to I dot replace slash n with empty. Now you see we will get, okay, we are getting the only values, and you can see only you just observe the value. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so 0 to 8. Now what we will do for uh, for uh, for j in range 0 to 9, let's say I of j is equals to int uh, I of j. Okay, and then I of 9 is equals to plot I of 9. Okay, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, so 10 to 20. 10 to, let's say, 21. Got it? Now you can see we are having numerical list. Okay, now only thing that you have to do is you have to traverse column wise rather than row wise. Okay, and then you have to find out the mean and max. So I think the difficult portion for your implementation I have implemented for you people. Okay, now only you have to implement mean, max, and average and standard deviation. Okay, you are supposed to implement the logic for this. Okay, now I hope I have given you the solution for the tricky or difficult part. Clear?
सर मेरी फाइल ही CSV में डाउनलोड हुई है.
That doesn't make any difference. If you will upload CSV file, then also you can read that CSV file using this method only. So it will not create any issue. So anyway, let's conclude our today's lab.